you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please welcome my guest tonight, my clone. Hey, how you doing? Oh, you know how I'm doing. So, tell me about yourself. Well, I'm 2 years old. I hold all of your memories, and I'm an exact copy of you. That's amazing. That's incredible. So tell me, what do you do? Well, this is my first time out of the lab, so... Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Hey, remember that one time when I went down yeah. 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 You know? Yeah. Yep. Yep. Did you, gain some weight? Yeah, well, Mom loves me more. You haven't even met Mom, and I already know that she loves me more. Well, that's our show. Thanks for watching, and good night. I'm killing you and taking your place. What? What?